So this is Jaguar. So I want to show you how to remove the radio. The radio is not turning on, so I want to show you how to remove it. This is the radio. So first you need to remove this. I have already removed it, so you need to remove it like this, and you disconnect the socket like this. So this component, you need to grab it like this. So there is a screw under here. The screw. Something 25. Show you how to remove the make sure you remove the passenger seat, and it's under the passenger seat. So here, open here like this. So this is the amplifier, the sound system. This is the radio. So this is the radio. So I need to turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition on. The ignition is on, and when you press the button, the screen doesn't turn on. The radio is not coming. The radio is not coming. So I've checked. This is the positive wire and the negative. So I've checked all, and then all the powers is coming. So right now there's a problem I found out. I want to show you how to solve this problem out. So yeah, there is a control unit here. I think maybe it will be the sound system, or there's a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth sign on it. So let me show you. Now the ignition is on. As you can see, the ignition is on, and they have already replaced this control unit because it have damaged the water have damaged it. And as you can see now, the air conditioning too is not coming. As you can see, it's on, but the blower is not working. So this is the fault. So as you can see now, the blower is working. It's working. The radio, this unit, the socket. As you can see, this socket, this particular pin is, there's a fault on it. So when you shake the wire, the radio comes on. So I will fix this problem, and So this pin I think is open, so I need to close it a little bit like this. Now let's go ahead and plug the socket. As you can see, now the radio is working now. So now when you shake, it doesn't go off. When you shake, it doesn't go off. You see. That's the problem on the sound system. So I will go ahead and fix this so that the air conditioning will work. As you can see, when the air conditioning is not working. So now I'll go ahead and use this sandpaper and clean it.
No go forward no. Money you know Martin Scott.
Okay,